Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware and software, so Minecraft actually uses the GPU. Check your system has a dedicated NVIDIA or AMD card and update drivers. Once done, make sure Java version is compatible or use the launcher's bundled Java. Next, open Windows Graphics Settings or the GPU control panel to assign high-performance GPU to Java or the Minecraft launcher. This early step forces the OS to prefer the discrete GPU and prevents fallback to integrated graphics. Once the control panel is open, add the launcher executable or Java. exe to the parap list and explicitly set it to high-performance GPU. This binds rendering to the discrete adapter. Then open the Minecraft launcher settings, choose a specific Java executable if needed, and adjust JVM arguments to allocate appropriate RAM, for example, XMX4G. Make sure the allocated RAM matches system capacity, and save. These steps link Java's runtime with your GPU and optimize memory for smooth frames. Now launch Minecraft and check the launcher or game logs to confirm the renderer shows your dedicated GPU. Monitor FPS to verify improvement. Once confirmed, tune in-game video settings, lower render distance, or enable performance mods like Optifine or Sodium if using Fabric. These reduce CPU bottlenecks and improve GPU utilization. If the game still uses integrated graphics, revert the GPU assignment, reinstall or update drivers, and double-check the Java path in the launcher. These fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.